I never knew what brought me here, as if somebody led my hand. It seems I hardly had to steer, my course was planned. And destiny, it guides us all, and by its hand we rise and fall. But only for a moment, time enough to catch our breath again. And we're just another piece of the puzzle, just another part of the plan. How one life touches the other is so hard to understand. Still we walk this road together,